advocacy wa yache and no ye foot soldier and no your bossy boy Kumasi boy or ye ubiebi and na on for position ho and that person no or selfless and to who the difference between Zuba outside and Zuba inside or they say a jumana no ye and for the first time check click na Ashanti region Kumasi and Yaji if you say a car Ashanti region Kumasi so when you a good regional minister. Now we are a correct mayor. And one unse and so far me wantina meniaje se Jo Mahama president ya mi ankasa mesha NDC flag a campaign amano any KROFROM market any phase 2.
Wow.
But when we are way
okay.
What you say? One time I can't say me to my NDC that. But for the first time se KROFROM market yo masha asie yi omunya ye wie na phase 2 yi o maye na other ones na 2020 mi ankasa mesha NDC atade se omuntu aso
NDC phone be twa to
na se me twa to asema make me nsuro na make na se asema make because KROFROM market akofo sha asie na sa amre me ko university
right
because once me ye nya so boy enti ye no I was aware. Me say that time I'm in university.
Wow.
Ma university we
Mama Mazuba akwaba.
Mama kama asem bia say man akwaba. Uni platform na more platform.
Matiase. Yes, boss.
Mama kama asem. Na asem no hu hia me.
I do dey hu hia. Ba vote no dey o mama akiato.
Vote me say e
beba so be market no.
Don't worry e beba so. Mani age ne say ye kan wan asem no. O makọ site.
Okay, omo ye.
Omo impro ne pythons na na wo ho no. So omo nyina adwane.
Wow.
Because Omako could be wura no kre wo. And from us say e fa KROFROM marketing pono. Me to na afi my emotional. Me say hey, enti say japade we ya kan wansema ka MPP fo amfie. Na no ayala ka asem bi na nkofo ye no. Hwe the NDC wa here e wa Ashanti region. We MPP ni a. Men kase ya wo atum. Because MPP entimi amwayen as MPP for. Now when your NDC are buying, etimi ama KROFROM ye be ya. Osu ye KROFROM ni no asa akoto ama MPP. Na asa wonte nyoma na se. Ye Rezuba no wa hey, and then to us.
Your food your party piano.
Simple.
And one no. Ye Rezuba. Good morning.
Good morning.
The working mayor.
Only bit me there.
Yet to say sorry. For these few months. Me nyi bia de obeka so obeka ho asem bia enya yi na nipa no se be na bia no obefo because adwuma ne de wa hyase a wo ye ne yie na ese ye bo wabaso na na kodwoja nto ase ye sei no de ne wo hye bo se mo ye no wa ban na no ye de udi nkomo wo kan se wo kura no mo provide seed money bia hyase ye adwuma ye hu se excavator kura kodwi wono kakra wo se ye sei no over o se eyi a mutumi wia wono a wode ne ho bebo afore aye campaign e de amam okay enye too strong for me
David mami chala with you for
mucho be Mike ne kaka
and the honorable regional minister honorable Dr. Frank Mwako Hene ordinary chair of North South East
okay
one more capital ni Agyemang ekoye adwuma kakra e wo ho ko Agyemang kom ko pogokom ko communities in them all that he's trying to do is to identify basic problems are many a bit me aswano. Wow. And what the president has tasked us to do and it's at any point in time we must be seen within the community so that the community can engage us.
Okay.
In meme entna office ho na ye nsusu ade aye abema amanfo no asetena mo beko yi amom but ye ma community nkan de omuhia evanche it is sana mona na yegusu ya the person wants us to get close to the people more.
Wow.
On person be adwuma enye the amanfo no hwe ni
the office nkwana
okay yesusu
okay
and I know that the regional minister went to do a lot of work in the South East region.
And to say observations, to say.
So Obaye, I'll see him today.
Okay.
Maybe also, but when the regional minister, they were very proactive.
Oh yes.
When you could draw their basic and with the supervision, the district chief executive and the district assembly meeting here, and the minimum for one hurry on with you can be assured that regional minister will supervise for it to be done. I know that so yeah, for one be almost JNFL so. Now back to
the markets,
markets. I can assure you that campaign there and another to obey. Yeah.
Wow,
because 24th December 2026 we'll do a party at the KROFROM market.
Wow.
Only be Bonyan. Next year Bonyan be no KROFROM.
Ebedi Bonyan no KROFROM.
2026 Bonyan no 24th December 2026 a party or.
Next year piano.
Yeah.
Wow.
Say minimum kasa and make sure say I'm expecting to start actual work in September.
Yeah.
And I started before September.
What is it?
And it should tell you the agency president go and make sure if BB work Ashanti region ha and that president akoma so udi agora ubetime lusu adwuma wo ho a KROFROM market.
Wow. Company mama dream
say BB say what nenia na wafa KROFROM market is the oko wall.
Wow.
Nenia bre so we have to work beyond our normal working rate because the president wants to have the project commissioned by 24th December 2026.
Wow.
And the so timelines now you can't say we have had to draw it back so that at least a bit me I'm a nipa come by the first week of December.
Okay.
So that the president will come and have it commissioned.
And now only didn't come on say and Simbi Weche on contractors issues now the man for so concerns or ya cleaning
assembly near bill whatever engagement or see yeah
Timam for down
yeah so engage me the consultant share if even the work that is going on it is a consultant that is supervising as we speak. Architects and structural engineers go assessment gusu ye adwuma gidigidi assessment on say dan just you have check
sure
nti yentimi mfiti ya ba ya na ye de dan ego so there are some portions or some yet structural integrity test me you say say ibuna ebe say ya reinforcement ebe ebe ni say ebe say nti yeguso aye adwuma
wow
and this week by the end of Friday holding would be completed.
Wow.
Friday, holding will be completed.
Work, go with speed, pa.
Yeah, go with speed in the Anyabe.
It's from now to 24th of December
2026.
Yes, project here see a bit me I inaugurate. Commission with that time frame, Ashanti region. Other things out there go and meaning so there versatile. Normal be brew to make kabum at the same time. And normal ben and anymore surprisingly would go.
One thing I dama kuma super akwara area untiminka.
Okay.
Akwara Ghana hano in focus and conquer ne maso ye. But the could you watch it here? You heard the vulnerable. And the society a man inquire no me vulnerable. Until she say now was a bonquire and ma home a bime. Society the only health facility a bind the a shame of her. They walk it as well, come as a children's hospital. I was a hope or I choked. In the ama private facility Ella Bofi a was children's hospital. Ubi hard in any. Aquaculture, honors is here. Ubia Eji Ayashe, Mangua, Oma almost pressure almost.
Okay.
Now he commands Kaka. Now, and why be bar? Your population census, Amaya Hunis a way. Now, a cobase baby me nupe, any timina specialized medical care at the moment, their hygiene. In Tinyamia Doma, a few wing one a way, you best start a pediatric center. Our KMA clinical. Say, started a pediatric center building now. Now, what would happen is that we'll convert the whole of the KMA clinic into a pediatric facility.
Wow.
Now, yape specialists no more confounded baby pediatricians baby or near baby Edioma Babigum. Now, if you baby me and son, inquire upon day. Yeah, they ebo ho bra enti eno ye ade ba ko a eda yakoma so a ye be sha ase afi
about health.
Yeah, it's about apomode.
Wow.
More especially more fun man. Nti we do that.
They are very necessary.
Yeah.
Because nkwada omohwe wo monkwa ebi kra common malaria
no. Ontimi nka de kwa ha no.
And omu ntimi so nka. Onza kwada ya de a ebi kra odi yesunsu na wo so.
They need special
That's
care.
very thoughtful.
Yeah, they need special care and we'll do that.
Why are they in the space of education? And so now no me say wa wo so ho kakra go dey dey wo no ma anya na
enti baby o ha
headmaster bi a say na no parents in some mo okay ebi sie me say wotu anamo
yeah
e wo mu mesu me say headmaster
Boko State MA school
na e dey na course ba
you see o mo ankasa de levy bi ama school for na won aban bia approve.
Okay.
Abanda da na ho no amfa levy bia sa ba e na aban ya e ba ye no so mfa levy bia sa mai but the some the levy bia ba your friend on school levy a omodi akwara bia 30 cities na ma me ba ko ono ne ma ko private school na omo cha ne ho che no ne ku na ewu eja no e no wontim no wode ne de na ba aban nto de aba aban na wuji levy mpo na exams ye tro exams a so pama kwa na just kwa that's china wonder mine no no pama kwa na me na ba be patch on na store more insist and we feel government school yen ma sa approve na I say open so je aban adimbone ma aban na deliberate so open so je adimbone ma aban na ba sa Boko state community ni na bufu aban what I say
yeah
inti ya be mo atwo ho kakra na ya hwehwem na fofo ombeye de community no akoma beto so no e de abaho
ade no say omo ho kire omo ana ade ne hawo
but the point is that capitation sika also the my teachers or basic schools nya we up to date inti oni any cost to charge any fee our school inti Ghana Education Service no ewo omo code of ethics omo ede one year or falling out of disciplinary rules ede on famity I shall say yem form of fast RGS code of ethics but because of the anger our community on those teachers at home so omo new omo school for never school for no say teacher for empower so that the community would have a new approach to teaching and learning.
Okay. Why are they? Because I know mano ema wo fully be were frustrated.
Yeah, but also, even in that enclave, in Kofobi or do you say St. Hubert House Primary School, Kofobi see dying because the school as I saw about 18
school lands.
Yes, 18 buildings. Yakobuninya. Yabuninya they feel so that the school can have access to land. Now, Oko state girls, and so Bantama. So the official amanda by police is going to say home and that I met on Mamuton cars were holding in a catch to me too.
Oh my space.
Yeah, almost a memo I told them that minim maybe I'm the memo. Minim maybe I'm the memo. I'm sure by the time school for them back in September, all those cars should be out of that place.
Wow. Wow.
No na ama sa no market na ama public schools enrollment figures from your school Bantama baby when you answer about you could see library or the president Kufuor do din tozo beautiful building the whole school 8 teachers 1 headmaster 18 students
that's edifice are they
say my public schools are attractive because of encroachment there are some public schools my who's because of encroachment in the Mazano, also Presbyterian. The school is full.
Wow.
And you see, I buy school. Occupy admission or because of the environment and security. I offer at your moment they feel secured. But many state girls Obama the back home. As a car, no question, will be a classroom. But you pack cars now, could you know? They call inspection. They call as him. School energy me penny kwa me kona shitono we say family hwenu no
na we to class
na o tell bisa mama ne say nti wo de wa shito ya me papa penny ameba e family hwenu mama me kwa do I call take classroom she to fan so any break time man obedweno won say I didn't teach China obeti enti many head teachers na work kuma KM schools in schools in nyina sha
wow
and ya to adwene and the budget ye be no afi I the 2026 no we'll try to set up 2 new ICC centers equipped with
ICT
laptops, equipped with computers.
That's good.
Yeah, we'll do one in the Subin sub metro and one in the Mensha North sub metro. Now, cluster of schools are around them. No, anytime you buy ICT, they can go to those facilities to have first-hand feel of what the computer is and what they can be used to do.
21st century learning.
Yeah, they are core. And then we are also looking to buy a bus for one of the schools.
Okay.
Now, how it can impact on enrollment. So we'll do that next year. Me buy na many opinions and find arrangement to be or the private developer DBS.
Okay.
So on boy na yen converted the Nyame MA basic school into a model school.
Right.
And start here, but you go so here on she say me just say enche papa ne ba beboa ne dis adwuma no e wo ho. What I intend to do necessity me wie dia na me da so ye mayor sa school ne de be Cambridge.
Okay.
Aban school onze parents ni be energy Cambridge curriculum no.
Sure.
And no na emo mo de omo private schools na but that one is expensive.
Yeah.
Until we try to see if we can provide an alternative for parents in the government sector. In the parents, one person buy Cambridge. Once we complete that model school, better try say I did the Nyame Hodie no. Be Cambridge.
That's an excellent idea.
Now you hear how we can use it to manage cost. We take cost no. A bill out here heartbreaking. Maybe my for private school. Papa no ka train. Okay, no me hu line e wo
dey for.
Me ma for.
Your fees here na.
Enti me papa ne kan dey no. But that one too. It's a matter of choice. What I say is a matter of choice. There are some private schools that almost school fees are 600.
Okay.
And they bring to the 11,000. The private schools need to be 600. Jesus for Madman. School in 300 cities. A private school.
Okay.
And Crown Prince Mohammed said they can. Zion Praise. There are some of them are may buy may have that amount. There are some of them
ideas now they ban yes.
There are some of them are more born from.
Yeah.
And yeah, OT issue on also the fan over to pay.
Okay. Wonderful.
But there's a particular school I make call a pay admission. There is almost 7,500. Mentimetra, Miss Amechi, but Ushe environment now. Meko hu ye na ka wa hode na so betua. I mean it's okay, but I know a matter of choice.
Educational vision no super, and I believe says our Cambridge now person and no be boys ye pa mama for to make it.
This cabet my catch was
right.
War boise. When I was MC consistently for all the 4 years. Ye BC bia na grading. Near the first until I left.
Wow.
As an AFU. So some of the things that we're doing in Obuasi, I am trying to bring them here.
Wonderful.
In Obuasi, the assembly supervision on teaching, they are key to the extent that Moko control exams are. The assembly takes interest in preparation for BEC. Or was it Teachers Award Scheme motivation? Why her prize are Obenyano? A better national award.
My teacher can be
and we have engaged the teachers. We'll try to say next year we must do a very good Teachers Awards program.
Wow.
KMA must do a very good Teachers Awards program. Obi a year the person must be challenged to get particular results.
Sure.
And it is out of motivation. What I say?
Yeah.
To say, me say, I did my appointment letter. My me salary first. Why the man don't have kai me kumo? Because me share salary with the man. I compare first one. Then I me just yeah. Mama, there was a million. But so is when somebody is motivated to want to do more.
Sure. But finally, just a minute on the markets and the space here they are moving. So far now we clearance kakra.
It's a major challenge. Mubisa me say one thing now. Me feel say Emma me taste why that angle no, and I'll admit. Booming. Yes, yes, Emma me guame.
Wow.
What you say? We want to do KROFROM with speed. KROFROM can take to close to 4,500 people. Oh, them machine.
Yeah.
And Nipa no so data it's not more than 1,890. Or more than that. It's not more than 1,890. And I feel that once we're able to do KROFROM, and KROFROM has a lot of shirts.
Oh wow!
It has a lot of shirts.
Okay.
And the ebeti movie, bojo na, Ofori no mo kwa muni na, and it has a lot of space for terminals.
Okay.
And to be a lot of stations, especially one more Bono East, Northeast, Northern Region, Savannah, Upper East, Upper West. We can take all of them to KROFROM.
Okay.
Now, Abua Maya decongested Central Business District, and once we're able to do that, and Central Market Phase 2 comes on stream, we'll be able to ease the congestion in the central. But make our way. There's something going on in the KJTR Phase 1 market.
Okay. And then they cost
we'll be at Elton there. New train na Embro 2000. The Jet or the Tony on Blue 2000. Now will be a Kojina Jonomo. Say, Mamma 4,005. Medical Mamma, your near Mamma and her baby. That person is a wicked man.
Almost Jessica would.
Yeah. That person is a wicked man. Obi and the Jet train do 10,000. Uko here and say, Umetia 4,500.
Send me your
collapse. Enti bi ankasa me ko ka se me ko yi omunyina ewi aso o me yo ne nko hu nti eje 3,000 me so obi abejo sa sika ne bi o keletia say o ma ba bi atena wo ho ye de koma me yo 4,500 5,000 3,500 ma police nchi no o ma police chi na mama so nti mejo sika ma
on suma obia
menye sisifo.
Wow.
Menye chimodin for say mba omo ewo kro obi ton de wo ba kwa mete obi ton de wo de kwa kosi baby even way outside of KJTR no be every KJTR akwa kwa jinipa no 5,000 cedis o de wo ni capitalize.
Wow.
What I say, you do it, you enrich yourself and the masses suffer.
Nipa say ye chinwa ese mutimi twine mu pa.
Yes sir. Dem fetch modern teacher mai. What I say? O man no ewo ho. Ne aban ho say de oye bibia. Oni somufo no. Na ka aban mpo aso ne mu. Enya say aban ba na de oni somufo mu na aban say ama ne ho kwa ho kire. Because opa bi aton ne ma wo fie. O mbe di opa bi aton ade. Enti obesa kwaji rural bank loan bi. Microfinance loan be e dey apa betua dey amount na ye tete no na wo dey akotoka na otim we don't live like that. No ababo aban anything but we don't live like that. Teme so ye so obi anji ska bia obia e ma me yo obi a desires can be aba entua onsuma obia entua what you been so obi a obi so akono ka jenze what say me yo na kan share from so onsuma family sika mama wan fa ma police nche no uma police nche na mama so nte mejo sika ma
right. Zuba no ono de megini di so wonye sa akra da ntino waka no obi abeju sika akọ ne ko ka chense krachi family sika mama onsuma obi a
ya me adom so traffic lights no ya start so
and a street no musu ayesu
mo ayesu e ka no so 13.8 miguzo buano 13.8 million. It's a lot of money
to light
Kumasi
on the street
it's costing us 13.8 million. But unim bebre any pabonism bebre any pan area cables ne everything bebre any problem bia apart from chrono inti say ye use that traffic light nko bebre o ha ye area e ho enema but nyame adom ye ne kaka said the be ya ekuro no ebetimi adim
honestly say we hear Mahama new appointees or the Omabeya. I mean they are working, they are very visible. Baby Abefebi Abu home, but we hear Makohine Zubasea in Ashanti region. For me, I think there are certain standards be in the system. They say I appoint two mayor and Ashanti region minister. I just say what city standards. Agyemang for me. So benchmark no ma certain. Yeah. I mean
future Poyando.
Oh, no credit okay. No credit okay, but our content no.
On the next game. After 2042.
Oh, no credit back. I mean Zuba and Yamakohine almost set standard be origin.
I like the pairing. I mean, they are all very, very proactive.
You might more unity. If there's unity, you can survive it. But someone can say united. A teamwork. Said they be preach about teamwork, and when the team spirit,
Ashanti region, nefa premier regional chairman.
Yeah. Oh, Nana Kwesi.
Yeah, Jumane ye wa hano. Because made me funchwa and I've got 4 times. Wow. What I say, Matisse be wa Wakwe. Matisse Boadi be wa day. Every time he's talking to regional minister, every time he's talking to
me. This mama mu party na ya kono. Every time you say buga for pa. Mabu eni ma say. Na mi sra.
E na mbese me kana na Kwesi asem be brenya so magala me bias.
We are gentlemen. It is because we have a hard-working supervisor.
Thank you very much for passing through.